My fellowship training was in arthroscopic surgery and sports medicine in Richmond, Virginia. I trained with Dr. Richard Kasperi and Dr. Terry Whipple. Prior to beginning my fellowship, I did both my medical school and residency at LSU Medical School in New Orleans. 4 years of medical school and followed by 5 years of orthopedic surgery residency. My undergraduate training was at LSU in Baton Rouge. I grew up in a small town. My mother and father were very close. My father built homes for a living and my mother was a nurse. I spent a lot of time in my youth working with my father on construction sites and also was exposed to the medical side of things through my mother. When I was 17 years old, I got a job working in an operating room to be exposed to the medical world, and I was instantly drawn to orthopedic surgery because it's more or less it was a cross between the two things that I was most exposed to in my youth, that being the mechanical side of things from my father and the medical side of things from my mother. A large part of my practice is sports medicine, so I see many student athletes both in high school and college level. I also do joint replacement procedures, and so I see patients, elderly patients as well. When a patient comes to see me at the Core Institute, they can expect to be greeted by a very friendly, experienced staff who are generally interested in their welfare. When they enter an examination room, they'll be interviewed by one of my assistants. Oftentimes we'll get x-rays, and then they will see me for an evaluation. They can expect a thorough examination, as well as a complete explanation of their condition, review of their x-rays, and a complete explanation of all treatment options available. What I enjoy most about being an orthopedic surgeon is that we perform quality of life-saving procedures, not life-saving procedures. And when we perform a surgical procedure on a patient to allow them to regain their mobility or regain usage of an extremity or return to their athletic endeavors, it's a very satisfying situation.